For Monday and Tuesday, you're going to work on a couple of assignments that ask you to explore how you like to learn and ways to make sure that you're using all of the different learning styles to help you be your best self. So you're going to start by opening up week 2, and we are looking at Monday and Tuesday. So just as a reminder, A-Day, we have a check-in on Monday. And then everybody's going to complete those 2 assignments, DME How Do You Learn and DME Learning Preferences. All right, so our goal for today is to think about how you learn and how you learn best. You're going to need your iPad, Notability, and Google Slides. And when you're done, you're going to turn in your copy of the learning survey, which is in Notability, to this assignment called DME How Do You Learn. So the first thing you're going to do is send the learning preferences surveys to Notability. And there's 2 ways you can do that. You can open up your attachments by clicking on View Attachments, tapping Learning Survey Preferences or Learning Preferences Survey, and then use this little button in the top right-hand corner to send a copy to Notability. If you don't have Copy to Notability as one of your choices, scroll all the way over, tap the More button, and then find that choice from your list and add it. Okay, so we want to choose Copy to Notability. If you choose Notability, then you have extra steps. So I'm going to copy that to Notability, and I'm going to create a new note and import it. And unfortunately, Notability doesn't let me show you quite as much. So now that it's in here, your job is to answer the questions. And what you're going to do is read the questions and then write your answer on the line. So for example, you're playing Mario Kart and you want to learn how to get a speed boost at the start. Do you A, watch the video online, B, figure it out by yourself by trying to do it, or C, ask someone to explain how to do it? So you're going to put your answer, and for me, I'm going to tap my pen and I'm going to put an A here. All right. So you're going to keep track of your answers. When you get to the bottom, what you'll do is you'll count up how many A's you have and write that number here, how many B's you have, and how many C's, and I forgot the C in my directions, I apologize. All right. If you have mostly A's, mostly B's, or mostly C's, then that should tell you something about your learning preference. All right, so that's step 1. Then, after you complete that, you're going to go back and you're going to open up your class's learning preference chart. Again, there's 2 ways you can do that. You can click on the link down here in the instructions. A-Day clicks the A-Day link, B-Day clicks the B-Day link, or you can open up the attachments and do it that way. So once you open that up, what you're going to do is add your dot to the slide. And so this is a little video of how to do it, but essentially you're going to go to your slide, you're going to click the plus, choose shape, find a circle, and then you can resize the circle. You can double tap it and type your initials. You can change the size of your initials, change the color. You can make it really pretty if you want. Then you can also change the color of your shape by picking the fill button and then choosing another. Oops. So let's pick the fill button. There you go. And then it's a little bit tricky to place it. So what I'm going to do is tap it to select it, and then I'm going to tap and drag. If you hesitate, it doesn't always work, but you're going to drag your dot and put it on the column that makes the most sense. So are you auditory? Are you kinesthetic? Do you like to do? Are you visual? Do you like to learn with your eyes? And then you'll be done with that assignment. All right. When you're finished, make sure that you use the Submissions tab and you upload your copy of your Learning Preferences survey here. All right. And mine doesn't show you what it looks like because I'm the teacher. All right.